Hello guys, it's George. Welcome to George Basics. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to buy Saitama token with very low gas fees. So you guys know that when you are buying Saitama token on Trust Wallet Uniswap, you are paying a lot of gas fees that impacts on your budget. With this method, you will be able to buy Saitama token with nearly zero gas fees. So this will be step-by-step explanation how to buy Saitama Inu token with very low gas fees. But before I start, I want to mention that this is not financial advice, it's just video tutorial how to buy this token. Let's go guys and find out how to buy it with very low gas fees. First guys, you need to create account on gate.io.com. You need to create your account and then you should go through verification. After you will finish your verification process, then you need to buy USDT, because to buy Saitama Inu token with very low gas fees, you need to swap USDT to Saitama. So first of all, you need to create an account on Gate.io. The link will be in the description, and after you will create an account, then you need to verify it. So after you will finish this process, then you should go to the buy crypto and select credit card, or you can use other methods. So at this moment I will show you how to buy crypto with credit card. So go to credit card. Here you should choose the currency you are buying. At this moment we are buying USDT because we are swapping it to Saitama. So click here and choose USDT. The minimum amount is $30. So you are going to pay 30 USD. Here you should choose the payment provider. At this moment we are gonna use Banksa because it has zero fee, best offer. So I will choose this one, and here you see that you are gonna pay 30 USD and you will receive 28.85 USDT. So fee is zero. And then you should tick this and click purchase. You will move to this page. You should click create your order. You will provide your contact details, and after that you will provide payment with your credit card. So after you will finish this process and after you will have USDT on your account, then you should scroll a little bit down, and here you see the search bar. Here you should type Saitama. Here it is. You should click this. Scroll a little bit down, and here you see buy option is here. You should select the amount of Saitama Inu and you should select the amount of USDT you are paying. You should click the buy and you will buy Saitama Inu with very low gas fees. So this is very simple guys. You can do it very simple and you won't pay a lot of gas fees to purchase Saitama. So guys, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel and don't forget to like this video. Thank you.